Sit back down onto your heels for a moment. Push your hands forward. And now let's come to lying on our bellies, hands underneath forehead. And get yourself nice and comfortable and allow yourself to sink a little deeper with every exhale. Allowing yourself to be nourished by the earth, letting go of whatever's in your way that you're ready to release right now. And allowing either the earth to take it or the sky, whatever felt appropriate. So easy to let go. You can be as imaginative as you like. Maybe you see your thoughts as literal words flying across a screen, and you see them float through the air and disappearing or float down into earth. Stay here as long as you like. For now, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to hear how this practice worked for you. Namaste.